Are you looking for the best budget 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best budget 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Anycubic Cobra 2 Neo 3D Printer. The Anycubic Cobra 2 Neo 3D printer is a cutting-edge FDM, fused deposition modeling, 3D printer designed for enthusiasts, professionals, and hobbyists. It boasts an impressive maximum print speed of 250 mm per second, allowing for swift and efficient printing of 3D models. One of its standout features is the new integrated extruder, which enhances the overall printing experience by providing precise and consistent extrusion. The printer is equipped with Leveq 2.0 auto-leveling technology, ensuring that the print bed is perfectly level for each print job. This feature contributes to improved print quality and reduces the likelihood of printing errors caused by uneven surfaces. The inclusion of an intuitive UI, user interface, design further simplifies the user experience, making it easy for both beginners and experienced users to navigate the printer's settings and controls. Number 2. Anycubic Cobra 2 Max 3D Printer. The Anycubic Cobra 2 Max 3D printer is a cutting-edge fused deposition modeling, FDM, 3D printer that boasts an impressive set of features. Notably, it offers a large build size with dimensions of 500,420,420 mm, providing ample space for creating sizable 3D prints. This increased build volume allows users to fabricate more substantial and complex objects with greater flexibility. One of the standout features of the Cobra 2 Max is its remarkable maximum print speed of 500 mm per second. This high-speed capability enables efficient and rapid 3D printing, saving valuable time for users and enhancing overall productivity. The printer is designed to deliver not only in terms of size but also in speed, making it suitable for various applications, including rapid prototyping and large-scale projects. Number 3. Creality Nuenda 3v3 3D Printer. The Creality Nuenda 3v3 3D printer represents the latest iteration of Creality's popular Ender 3 series, known for its affordability and reliability in the world of 3D printing. This new version boasts several key features designed to enhance the printing experience. One standout feature is its impressive printing speed, reaching up to 500 mm per second. This allows users to produce 3D prints at a faster rate, increasing overall efficiency. The inclusion of the Creality OS operating system ensures a smart and user-friendly interface, making the printer accessible even to those new to 3D printing. Number 4. Creality Ender 5 Plus 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 5 Plus is a 3D printer renowned for its large printing size, measuring an impressive 350 by 350 by 400. One standout feature of this printer is its dual Z-axis design, which contributes to enhanced stability and precision during the printing process. The inclusion of the BL Touch leveling system is another notable aspect, providing automatic bed leveling for improved print bed adhesion and accuracy. One of the standout functionalities of the Creality Ender 5 Plus is its power-off resume capability. This feature allows the printer to resume printing from the last recorded position in the event of a power outage, reducing the risk of print failures and waste. The addition of a sensor further enhances the printer's capabilities, ensuring a more streamlined and user-friendly experience. Number 5. Artillery Kit Sidewinder X2 3D Printer. The Artillery Sidewinder X2 is a 3D printer kit that offers advanced features and capabilities for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Designed with a large print volume of 300 by 300 by 400, the Sidewinder X2 provides ample space for creating sizable 3D prints. The printer is equipped with an automatic bed leveling (ABL) system, ensuring precise and accurate prints by automatically adjusting the print bed to achieve optimal leveling. One notable feature of the Sidewinder X2 is its high precision, thanks to the inclusion of a dual Z-axis design. This setup enhances stability during the printing process, minimizing the risk of layer misalignment and improving overall print quality. The printer is also equipped with a TFT touchscreen for intuitive and user-friendly operation, allowing users to control and monitor the printing process with ease.